Denise, I'm super excited to show you this.
Yeah?
It's my new Power Smokeless Grill. This is the first indoor grill with our smoke extractor technology. You see that? Now I want to show you something. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off our smoke extractor.
Oh, okay.
And you're going to see what happens. Look at that.
This is going to start to fill my kitchen. I don't want that.
Now I'm going to turn our smoke extractor on. Look at that. It's like a vacuum.
Yeah.
It's actually vacuuming up all that smoke, recycling the air, cleaning it, and then sending it back out.
That's fantastic.
All right, think about this. Look at that char. Look at that steak.
That's just like I cooked it on the grill outside.
I know, but we did it inside.
Without the smoke.
You've got that right. You're starting to get it, right?
Yeah.
All right, you know what? Our recipe book is filled with crazy good stuffed burgers, like the one I'm going to show you. Little ball of chopped meat. And then what we do is we take our mac and cheese, we pop that in the center just like that.
That's so awesome.
It's almost like a hamburger ravioli.
True.
All right, you ready for some great burgers?
You know it.
These are stuffed burgers, stuffed with mac and cheese. You saw how easy they were to make. I'm gonna take this guy up here, and you and I are gonna share this because you have a lot more food to eat today.
Okay, goody.
I want you to go easy, all right? There's nothing like burgers, but could you imagine? We did these inside. I didn't have to go outside. I didn't have to worry about the propane. I didn't have to worry about the weather, the mosquitoes. Oh, fun.
The best burger I've ever had in my life.
Oh, come on, you're gonna make me blush.
Sure.
Remember, I call it the Power Grill because it's got the power to char.
Yeah.
But it's also got the power to do chicken from frozen right out of the freezer. All right, look at this. Right onto the hot grill.
Wow.
It starts heating up almost instantly. So you get a fast heat up. But first, I want to show you something really interesting.
All right.
What we're going to do is we're going to infuse salmon with flavor.
What?
Wait till I show you this. All right. What we're going to do is we're going to put some herbs, some aromatics.
Oh, yeah.
Here we have some lemon. And then I like to use a little liquid smoke. You can get this anywhere.
Okay.
Pour that in there just a little bit. You're gonna get that smoky, like barbecue flavor.
I love this idea.
On top of, the grill flavor that you're gonna get. Now, let me show you how easy this is to put together. Right in like this. Then, we even have little handles. This is our grill insert. And then watch how easy this is. Hit the power button. So now I'm not gonna turn the fan on because we wanna keep those flavors in there. The only way to do that is with the surprise that I've been waiting to show you.
Oh, wow, that's beautiful.
This is a big, beautiful cook and look lid. It even has a gasket on the bottom. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna keep all that infusion of flavor right inside with our salmon. Okay, now I think our frozen chicken breasts are all ready to turn. Now, remember, these came from frozen. Come on.
That's beautiful.
Is that impressive?
As you turn each one, the smoke gets sucked right in.
Now look, we're gonna take some tomato sauce.
Okay.
And don't worry about making a mess.
Oh, all right. You sure?
Yeah, trust me.
All right.
All right. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some cheese, some more cheese, a little more cheese, a little more cheese.
You're not worried about burning that cheese?
How about that?
Okay.
Now what we're going to do is we're going to check on our infused salmon.
Okay. Oh, I smell
Remember
it
this?
already.
Doesn't it smell good? We infused it with liquid smoke and wine. Our beautiful lid.
Yes, yes.
Oh, smell that.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, man, that smells great.
That's amazing.
All right. And I didn't flip them on purpose because I wanted to do a gentle cooking on these so you could see the skin on the bottom.
Yes.
Totally char grilled. Beautiful, right? But it didn't stick. You know how skin can really be a problem on the barbecue?
Yeah.
All right, let's break it apart and see if it's perfectly steamed and infused.
And flaky.
Look at
That's
that.
the way salmon's supposed
Look
to
at that beautiful salmon.
Can I have a
Oh,
little
yes,
piece?
please.
I mean, honestly, I just want to try it. Oh, that's good.
Do you taste the flavor of the fish and the liquid smoke?
I do. Melting in my mouth, delicious.
Oh, that's great. We can do healthy on the grill, and we can also have some fun,
I like
which
both.
is what we're gonna do now.
I like both.
All right, come here. I want to check out our char grilled chicken parm. Look at that. Oh,
Wow.
that is gonna be so good.
Oh, those are gorgeous. I can't believe you cooked them inside. I can't get over
It's
it.
incredible, right? I know you want to taste this, but remember, we did it from frozen.
Right.
All right, Denise, there's a nice big bite for you.
Come to mama.
I know you can handle that. Look at the
my
cheese.
I I would never know that was a frozen piece of chicken.
All right, but look at this mess. Are you scared?
A little bit.
I'm not. Look at this.
Please. Are you serious, Eric? Wow.
That's my cheese.
I'm
right
floored.
there.
That's crazy.
Come on. All right, now what I want to do is I want to show you my griddle. Come here.
Griddle? You have a griddle?
All right, ready for a little magic?
Of course.
All right, I'm going to show you how you can turn your grill
Yeah.
into a griddle.
The griddle.
Yeah, just like that.
And a snap. I like
Isn't that great? Okay, so what I did is I used my variable heat control because I don't want it too hot. I don't want to go up to 450 for an
Right.
egg. Watch
Totally
this.
innovative.
Beautiful non-stick. Spread this out a little bit.
I get it.
All right, we're gonna put a little red pepper. We're gonna put down some spinach. What do you think?
Oh, I think it looks awesome. Oh.
And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do some cream cheese. Plus we have our smokeless technology.
Yeah.
Even when you're cooking on the griddle, you wanna get rid of the smoke, right?
A lot of great features here.
Now watch this. When I tell you egg roll, I
You're
wasn't joking
rolling
around,
the
right?
egg. Look at
Now
that.
look at this.
Eric, that's gorgeous.
So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna give it a little shot down the middle. Put that on the plate, just like that.
You know I need to take a bite, right?
I know you do.
In. Let's see. Oh, come
man.
on. I'm an egg roll lover. Who knew?
Look at this gorgeous flank steak. You can see the even browning all the way through from end to end. What we're gonna do is we're gonna thinly slice it. Now, look at look at this. Look at this flank steak.
Oh, please.
It is juicy and charred on the outside. Guys, trust me, this is amazing. Now, what I would normally do is cut this all the way up.
Right.
Then I would put it back on the grill. Now, thanks to our variable heat control, I'm gonna keep this on low so we can have more fajitas later if we have company.
Now you're warming it.
That's
I
right.
love it. So you're making us some fajitas.
That's right. I like the taste of grilled food, but you know, I don't want to go outside when it's freezing cold or when it's snowing. All right, so let's finish this up with some fresh grilled vegetables. Look at that. I mean, look at char on these,
Oh, yum.
right? Oh man, they're bursting
It just
with
makes
sweetness.
it so
I can just
easy.
see it.
Let's try it. Oh, please.
We did this in our house.
It does it all.
It does it all. I like that. We should have called it the Power Does It All. I like that. All right, I'm gonna
Look
teach
away.
you how to make a potato volcano. What you wanna do is just hollow it out, just like this.
Oh, okay.
Boom, boom, boom.
Making room for the stuffing.
That's right.
And what is this little mixture?
This is sour cream and cheese.
Oh.
Look at that.
Nice, nice.
All right, you stuff that up, and then what we do is we top it with a lot of cheese, and then we take the bacon,
Oh.
wrap it all the way around, hit it with a toothpick, and that's it.
Wow.
All right, now what I'm gonna do is grab you one. All right, now let's take a look inside our potato volcano.
Oh,
How's that?
Yum.
You like that?
That looks good.
All right.
That screams summertime anytime.
Oh,
Right,
I like
right?
it. All right, look at this. 3 dozen pot stickers.
Wow, 3
Right?
dozen.
This is a huge
It
capacity.
sure is.
We're gonna put a little vinegar on there. This is rice vinegar.
Okay.
Give it a little
This?
sour flavor.
Ooh, do it, do it.
It only takes a second.
Ooh.
Now, that's all we have to do.
Cool.
Now watch what I do here. I'm just gonna take it down all the way to warm, okay? All right, now we can serve our guests right on the griddle. This is a little sweet soy sauce. Oh man, some toasted sesames.
That's so cool.
And then we're gonna make it pretty and turn it into a little bit of a salad, make it nice and healthy.
Love it.
Wanna try
Should
one?
we? Yeah. Do you know what kind of chopsticks I like?
Look, do you love grilled chicken?
I do.
Look at the sear on that chicken.
That's beautiful.
It is absolutely beautiful. Now, when you take the bone out of the back, it also makes it easier to cut.
Oh my gosh, yes.
I'm gonna give you a little bit of white
Oh,
meat.
well, thank you.
That's for you.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna plate this up because this is gonna be our dinner entree. Look
Oh,
at that.
Eric, that's good. It's
Look at the
juicy.
sear, right? You can taste the char.
Crispy, great flavor, and juicy chicken.
Oh man, look at that. Carrots, oh man, the onions. Now that is gonna be a great dinner. Let's check out our pizza.
Okay.
Is it ready? Do we have grill marks? Yes, we do. Look at that.
Oh, please.
Is
That's
that
awesome.
fantastic? All right, now we're gonna make, I'm gonna call this an artisanal char grilled pizza. You know, you'd spend a lot of money if you went out to the restaurant for this.
Sure would.
All right, then we're gonna put down some mozzarella. You know, I always like
You're a cheese guy.
a little extra cheese, but you know, that's just me.
You've made me a cheese girl.
And we're gonna put some beautifully chopped peppers. Isn't that fun?
They're gorgeous,
It's like
yeah.
confetti. And then we're just gonna put down some, I'm using a little chorizo.
Whatever.
All right, now I need the lid.
Love that you can see all the pretty ingredients right through the lid.
We're just gonna let it melt, because I don't wanna burn my pizza. I just wanna melt that cheese, get all those flavors to play together.
Look at how quickly that's happening.
Yeah, let's make sure it's done. Perfect.
Wow.
Now, I'm gonna take my pizza peel, just like a regular pizza parlor.
Okay.
Pop this right under here.
And nothing's sticking.
Are you kidding? Come on. And then we're gonna serve it right on that.
And the cheese is all melted beautifully.
You hear that crispy? You hear that crunching?
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
You know what? For a normal person,
Yeah?
I would cut that in half.
What do you mean normal? I'm going for the end. Oh, mamma mia.
Mamma mia.
That's a great pizza.
That's a good pizza. I've been so excited to show you this.
What?
Have you ever had grilled lemonade?
Never.
You haven't?
No.
All right, I can't wait to show you how to do it. Lemon,
Yeah.
sugar, dip it,
That's it?
put it on the power grill.
Oh.
Then what happens is you get this
Oh,
gorgeous
wow.
char,
That is
right?
gorgeous.
Then what we do is we put it in our squeezer and we squeeze it right into the pitcher. Look at that.
So a little bit of flavor, maybe?
That's right, it adds a flavor profile that's gonna blow your mind. You gotta try this.
Yeah. Okay, thanks.
For you?
Thank you.
That's for
Such
me?
a gentleman.
Oh, man.
Cheers. Okay, let's see.
Right?
Oh my gosh, that's so good.
It's delicious.
Light with just that little touch of flavor. Great summertime cocktail, right? On the
I'm in.
deck.
Come on over here.
Oh, that was good.
Look at this trout, grilled to perfection. Now,
yeah.
all right, I'm gonna turn the fan off.
Okay.
Do you see how the smoke's
I do.
lifting
Yeah,
up?
right away.
Look at that. It only takes like a second,
Yeah.
and there's the smoke and the scent. I'm gonna turn that back on.
Wow.
It's like
Bam.
magic. Is that incredible?
It
We're
is.
the only ones who do that. All right, this could be salmon, this could be tuna.
You know I love fish.
Look
Oh my
at
gosh.
that fish. Is that beautiful?
That's-
The skin, it's not gonna stick because we have our amazing non-stick. Look at this.
Oh my gosh. Please, it's peeling right off.
And please help yourself.
Fantastic. I
No,
cannot
I have
wait
to just try this fish. I just want to try
I
that
want a
fish.
nice bite of fish. Favorite fish ever.
That's what you want from a grill. That's why we call it the power grill. It's got the power to give you the char inside without the smoke.